If you're seeking an ultimate Eastern European experience in Romania, you shouldn't book any fancy tours or anything. Just come to the local market. Jokes aside, it's a really great place if you want to buy some fresh fruit and veggies or basically anything.
I don't know what to say. This experience is lovely. This is crazy. Ask questions in the comments.
Yes, we came to the market to have an ultimate Eastern European experience provided by these two. And we're looking for a special type of cucumbers with pimples.
Just the fresh cucumbers, not the lawn and...
From the greenhouse.
No.
No. Real cucumbers. I think we found some cucumbers that we were looking for, so we ran to look for other products. And when I say you can find anything here, I mean you can really find anything here. Bucharest is a city built on contrast. Here is something different after a market. This place is called Caru cu Bere. It's one of Bucharest's oldest restaurants. It started as a beer house where drinks were delivered in horse-drawn wagons. Although the beer hasn't been brewed on site for many years, the original recipe is still used by the restaurant. As for food, you can find more traditional Romanian dishes as well as international ones. Beyond food and drink, the restaurant often hosts live music, and we were lucky to witness a violin ensemble. Victoria brought me to Paris. Opa. Your thoughts on Paris in Bucharest?
This is outstanding experience.
It looks very similar to the one in Paris, and it's probably possible to go up there, but we won't be doing that because nothing works on the 25th, right?
They call Bucharest small Paris or something like that.
In the city center, you'll find stunning architecture standing next to buildings that are far less appealing. These sharp contrasts are the result of repeated abrupt changes in history, politics, and urban planning. As one Facebook user aptly put it, Bucharest is a city that doesn't try too hard to be something it's not. The West Side Christmas Market is Bucharest's newer major Christmas market. It was apparently launched as a modern alternative to the traditional Old Town market. Basically, you can do the same activities here as at other Christmas markets. There is, however, a strong focus on families and kids. For example, you'll find large playground areas, Santa-themed attractions, and light installations.
We came to another Christmas market, guys, and it looks even better than that one in the city center. A lot of illuminations and a huge bridge, and lots of things to try to eat and to drink, and even an ice skating place.
The absolute highlight was, of course, the bridge. Everything was quite crowded, but that's to be expected in a place like this. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.